Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University, and I'm founder and CEO, and it's so great to be with you here. And this is the London session. We're going to be trading the PMI out of the UK, and that should be coming out in about 6 minutes, about 4:30, and we could see that going to come up soon. We're actually taking a look at the pound versus US dollar. And actually, we've got long on a break of the trend line, and I'm going to zoom in on that. And we're already long. And let's go ahead and zoom on in. So the news hasn't even been announced yet. We are going to be looking at that in just a hot second. And we've got a nice breakout, the consolidation of nice base. We have a nice level of support, and we can start taking some trades at different levels here. We've got a nice base of support, and let's see us climb out. About 5 minutes before the news, we broke one trend line, and let's see if you can get some couple of take profits in there. Spread these out a little bit. 122.03, 120, yeah, 122, and we're moving on up, and looks like we're breaking north. So we got news coming out. This is the PMI out of. I can go ahead and maybe show that to you guys on our economic calendar. Let me go ahead and go to sources here, and okay. And so we have this is the my forex heat map. This is an arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. It tells us what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, and what's not. And we can also, there's a number of tools here: economic calendar, financial news stream, market hours, sentiment, currency correlations, financial calendar, whole lot of data. It's my trader's buddy. It's my top secret tool here. So we're going to go ahead and here we go. So we have the today is the 21st, and we have that coming out in 2 minutes. Services PMI, and I think we can make this a little bit bigger. We can zoom in on this, and we can see that the data is coming up here in just 2 minutes, and we can see that the previous number was 13.4. The consensus call for a rise to 25.0. And so we'll go back to the heat map, and we'll go ahead and go to our forex all instrument heat maps. We can take a look at those there, and probably zoom out a bit. See, the pound pairs are moving up to the top of the heat map. We had pound Kiwi, pound Aussie up there as well, and we can go ahead and switch over back to our and this is where we are now. So we got about 2 minutes before we actually get our news announcement. And based on what we're seeing, where the bears try to break down past that 121, that 121.86 support, and it looks like we are breaking north. And we've got one less than a minute before the news. Okay, we're looking for this UK PMI coming out in very soon. break. We got a break, and let's go ahead and start. All right, we got a break. News better than expected. Refreshing. Oh my goodness, it came in at 28.7. 28.7, much better than expected. Forecast call for 25. Previous number was 14. And so PMI better than expected. Better than expected, and the pound is rallying. We're rallying from the break of the trend line at 1.2203, and we're moving on up like George and Wheezy. Nice little trend line break, as you can see. We'll go ahead and zoom in on that price action. There is some try to sell off here, but we suspect that we would continue to move up. We got a nice bit of support here, and so we have a 200 simple moving average, one of the most widely watched technical tools, hovering around the 1.2216, and let's see if we can go ahead and close on that. So a good number for the UK, even in face of the COVID, also the Brexit. It's going on as well, and we have this super duper number. Also, we have some. That was the European flash PMI. Actually, the flash manufacturing PMI of the UK came out as well. Came out at 40.6. 40.6. That's tremendous. And we're seeing big moves right now. I'm going to probably add another position in there. Let's go ahead and just start closing these out. And but we had tomorrow's newspaper today, so we had an idea that this was going to be a good number, and we were going to get a pretty good movement. So a lot of people, they say trade price action. It's like, by the time you see price action, you are probably going to be late to the party. Okay, so we were able to get in way down here. This is our first entry, and the rest of these entries are just going to be, boop, there we go. We got, there we go, there we go, there we go, bam, bam. All right, right. We got a little bit left. Got one up here. Let's see if we can get another push up. 200 moving average. We're at 1.2213 and climbing and here we go. New high. We have a new session high. 1.2216 and climbing, and we're limiting out on all the positions, and we are flat. We are out of all of our positions. 1.2215. That's it, guys. So not too shabby. Again, by much. That's a blockbuster number that came out. Not sure if it's been if they have updated the economic calendar. I want to go ahead and show you that, and let's go ahead and do that. Show the economic calendar, and we can see the UK number came in at it has it here at 27.8. I'm looking at another calendar, and okay, let's go ahead and get that in there. So we there we go. Okay. Yeah, so you can see the better than expected number. And usually when we get these news announcements, if the actual number is better than the forecasted number, that's when we get these big explosive moves in the market. And that's what I teach in my Elite Traders University course. And if you want to find out more about it, how I was able to figure out this and place these trades like I just did on this 21st of May 2020 that you saw, go ahead and click the link below. It's 4 Pillars to 6 Figures, and it is a masterclass to actually show you what I do, how I do it, and then there's an invitation that if you want to speak to me or one of my associates, you can learn more about how we can help you to trade your account in a professional manner. Okay. There's also, if you want to have access to this powerful tool that's behind me, the My Forex Heat Map, go ahead and go down there, www.mymarketheatmap.com. It's on sale for 75% off. Normally it's $199, $199 lifetime subscription, but for you guys it's $49.97. Go ahead and go there now. Won't last long. Talk to you soon. This is Greg McLeod for the Forex Cash Machine, the Elite Traders University, the powerful brands of the Elite Traders University, My Market Heat Map, Pip&Run, signing off. Peace and pips. Happy pipping. It's Greg McLeod signing out. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!